Look like we got another round here. 2 white, 3 whites, 4 whites, red, 1 red. I think I got a red white fly in here too. Got a white up there. Got 2 in there. Got a little white badge, red bar badge. These got about lay. Got 2 up there. We got 2 in there. We got 2 over there. We got 1 in there. We got eggs over here. So we got a few of them that's coming out. This is my new crossbreed for 2021. These are some old cocks with young hen and young hen crossed to old cock. So we'll see how they do this year cross what I did. So they're looking mighty fine. Again, a lot of white birds. So we'll see what am I getting. Know a lot of my whites, good stuff this year. Because every kid boss, you guys see whites in here. Whites. Red bar. A lot of whites. White. All these white grizzle. Tort. White grizzle, white tort. Same thing as over here. A lot of my other. So these are my 2021 cross babies to those parents over there. So we're hoping to see very good results. Same thing over here. You get white. Not gonna lie, we got a lot of few white here and there. Got a lot of white, no black, period. But yep. Anyways, see y'all.